Hi, Mr. Joshua.
Hi, Mr. George. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you after Saturday's earthquake?
Whoa, Mr. George, I am fine.
Really? Great. Chile is a country with a lot of earthquakes. Do you feel afraid when the earthquake happens?
The truth, a little. But I have been in this beautiful country for a long time. And the earthquakes are part of Chile.
Very good, Mr. Joshua. I have many earthquake knowledge.
Really, Mr. George? But why are there a lot of earthquakes in Chile?
Well, Chile is located in the ring of fire from the Pacific Ocean. That is where the most earthquakes are produced in the world and the most catastrophic. For example, in 1960, in Valdivia City occurred the biggest earthquake in the world, with a magnitude of 9.5 in the Richter scale, and a few hours after a tsunami occurred.
Whoa, Mr. George, you know so much about earthquakes. But how do earthquakes occur?
Well, they are produced by shocks between the tectonic plates. So, when these plates produce shocks, they accumulate energy, and when this is released, it occurs an earthquake.
Wow, I am so surprised with your knowledge about this thing. But what safety recommendations must I follow in an earthquake situation?
First, keep calm. Second, find the safety zone in your home. You must identify that before. Third, stay away from windows and objects that fall. Fourth, you mustn't go to the street. You should just wait for the movement finish.
Oh, thank you, Mr. George, for your recommendation. They are very important for me.
No problem, Mr. Joshua. The most important is to be prepared always. To know your safety zone in your house or building, to have flashlight, water, reserved food, spare of clothing, a radio, and finally, to keep calm.
Mr. George, I believe that started to shake. Oh my, oh my.